Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 24, OV 78. अंशे पोटी पाणी न प्यावे, म्हणे सुदामा क्षणेक विसावे, परी न वदे हे चणे खावे, कृष्ण विसावे मांडीवर. Do not drink water on an empty stomach, said Sudama. Rest a while. But he did not say that the grams should be eaten. Krishna laid down on Sudama's lap. पाहून लागला कृष्णाचा डोळा, सुदामा चणे खाऊ लागला. दादा काय हो खाता हा कसला, आवाज बदला कृष्ण तदा. When he saw that Krishna was asleep, Sudama began to eat the grams. Dada, what are you eating? What is this sound? Said Krishna then. काय रे खाया आहे येथे, थंडीने द्विजपंक्ती थुडथुडते, विष्णू सहस्र नामही मुखाते, स्पष्टोच्चारिता येईना. What is there to eat here? Due to the cold, my teeth are chattering so much that I cannot even pronounce clearly the Vishnu Sahasranam. ऐकून हे सुदाम्याचे उत्तर, सर्वसाक्षी कृष्ण परात्पर, म्हणे मलाही स्वप्न खरोखर, पडले बरोबर तैसेच. Hearing this reply from Sudama, the omniscient and divine Krishna said, I also had a similar dream, truly. एकाची वस्तू दुजा खाता, काय रे खातोस ऐसे वदता, खाऊ काय माती तो म्हणता, वाणी तथास्तुता प्रकटली. Someone was eating another person's share of food. When questioned as to what he was eating, he said, What can I eat? Dust. When the word Tathastuta, may it be so, was heard. अरे हे स्वप्नची बरे दादा, आपण मजवीण खालका कदा, खाता काय हा प्रश्नही तदा, स्वप्नाच्या नादात पुसियेला. Oh Dada, this is just a dream. Would you ever eat anything without sharing with me? I asked you the question as to what you were eating because I was still not fully awake from the dream. पूर्वाश्रमी सुदामाजीला असती ठावी कृष्णलीला, तरी हा नसता प्रमाद घडला, नसता भोगिला परिणाम. If Sudamaji had known the Leelas of Krishna of his earlier years, then he would not have made this mistake and would not have suffered the consequences. तो तरी काय साधारण, 18 दारिद्र्य घन, तरी एक एकटे खाती जे जन, त्यांनी हे स्मरण ठेवावे. Nor was it any ordinary suffering, because he had to experience the most extreme poverty. Therefore, those who eat alone should bear this in mind. कृष्ण परमात्मा ज्याचा सखा, ऐसा हा भक्त सुदाम्यासारिखा, नीतीस यत्किंचित होता पारखा, पावला धोका संसारी. Even a devotee like Sudama, whose friend was Lord Krishna, when he forgot to behave according to the law of good virtuosity, suffered in this world. तोच स्वस्त्री कष्टार्जित, प्रेमे मुठभर पोहे अर्पित, कृष्ण होनी प्रसन्न चित्त, ऐश्वर्य तृप्त करीतया. Later on, when he offered a handful of parched rice earned by his wife with her own labor, Krishna was pleased and granted him all prosperity. असो आता आणिक एक, वार्ता कथितो बोधप्रदायक, आधी आनंद विनोद सुख, बोध प्रमुख जी अंती. So be it. Let me tell you another story which is instructive. To begin with, It began in fun as a joke, but in the end was full of great wisdom.